Today we are at Woolworths in North Kyle, as you can see. We have a walk-in refrigerator right here. Stuff like cartons, evaporators. See? Pretty big. Bye.